Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to redeem and claim Nodepay Voucher instantly. If you want to claim your Nodepay airdrop voucher, the process is quick and easy. Just make sure you are using the official website to stay safe. Here is a complete step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, open your browser and use the search bar to search for Nodepay. Now, go to the official Nodepay airdrop claim page. Make sure you are on the correct site. Double-check the web address to be sure it is the real Nodepay domain and not a fake or phishing link. Once you are there, log in using your Nodepay account credentials, the same email and password you used when you first signed up. If you do not have an account yet, it only takes a minute to create one before moving forward. After logging in, the site will automatically check your eligibility. This step helps confirm whether your account qualifies for the voucher based on factors like when you joined, if you completed specific referral or activity tasks, or other eligibility rules set by Nodepay. If you are eligible, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. Next, follow the instructions provided on the page. Depending on your account, you may need to complete a few simple steps, such as verifying your identity, connecting a wallet, or finishing small social or referral tasks. Take your time to go through these. They are quick and straightforward. Once everything is complete, look for the Claim button. Go ahead and click it. The system will begin processing your voucher, which may take a few seconds. When it is done, you will receive your Nodepay tokens or tickets. Finally, make sure you secure your tokens by following any last steps the site gives you. And that is how you have successfully claimed your Nodepay voucher. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.